Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Next Also TV. In today's video, I will show you a website that you'll be working with and you will be earning a lot of money from. And this website is called One Former Pantera Hedge. Now this website has a lot of tasks that you'll be doing, jobs that you'll be doing that will be earning a lot of money. You can Google it, then you will find the website also in my description down. Now in this website you have so many jobs that you can apply for that when they approve you, you can start to do. Now this website is legit and it is real. They pay well and better. Now let's check the jobs that are available for you to apply for. You just should click on jobs. Then you come here. You will see many jobs opportunity here. We have job work opportunities. Now under job category we have data collection. Now we have 3 jobs that are available with data collection. In the depends on the kind of job you want to do. When you come here, we have data collection. Then we also have transcription. We also have transcription jobs here. Transcription job, almost 3 transcription jobs here. Almost one, sorry. One transcription job here. We also have one here. Then when we come to the other one, we have judging and grading. In judging and grading, we also have text to voice judging. We also have like how many tasks? We have 2 tasks, yes, already here. Then the next one is translation. In translation, we almost have 28 tasks. 28 tasks to be doing. Now you click on it, you see that we almost have 28 tasks. You need just to click and apply. 28 tasks. 28 that word. Now we also have another one again. Let's check the other one. The kind of job we also have with this one. We also have testing. We have 0 jobs here. We also have content creation. We have 0 jobs. The annotation and label 0 jobs. URL 0 jobs. The logistics position 0 jobs again. Full-time, part-time jobs opportunity 0 jobs. There. Now this is how to apply for the job. If you want to apply for the job, all you need to do is to click on that particular job. It will take you to another page. To take you to another page. To take you to another page. To take you to another page in which you will go to the work I'll be doing it. To take you to another page. Now this is what you will do. Now let's face the translation challenges. The job opportunity just in translation is what we are going to be doing today. Now what you need to do here is to go to the translation part. Translation part. Now this is translation we are going to be applying for today. We need to just to click on it. Just to click, all you need to just to click on there. We now have different kind of categories of jobs. We also, if you want to do translation, we have Arabic human translation, language to English. Then we also have Vietnamese to English again. We also have Turkish human translation, Turkish to English. A lot of it. Now, if you want to apply for any job, what you need to do is just to click this arrow. For you to click this arrow, you need to just to click this arrow. Click this arrow. When you click it, will take you to another page. After that, it will open. The job will open up. Now, Isaac Turkey translation new translation project for Turkish speaker. We're looking for candidates who want to get a grasp translate. The project will be translated from Turkish to English. Purpose: you will translate general news content from social media and text extracted from news program, news program, news program, news program, public medical finance. And now the main requirement, you must be a native speaker of either the target language or a source language. At least you must be a native speaker of Turkish or English language. You must have a laptop, a good internet connection. You must have a previous working experience too. This is not mandatory. You have a translation linguistic background such as MBNA. You have previous experience in translation. This will be valued, although it is not mandatory. You can commit 4 to 8 hours a week. We are very flexible with schedules. But we expect a minimum number of hours per week. In return, this is an offer opportunity. Now, this is what you will do. Payment: the project is paid per once. Per once can earn an average of $50 to $35. You can earn an average of $50 to $35 per hour. And per day you can earn almost 120 to 399 per day. When they approve and you start working. Please note, we are currently connected to kind of variant specific, but you will be required to take a translation preparation, and there's a certification you have to take for you to be approved in some of the projects. Now, in this is what you will do. How to apply? All you need to do just to come here. What to do? You come here, you click on here, you click here. It will not take you to this page. You need to just say accept. There, after that, it will tell you your application is now in progress. In order to complete this job, will require one more certificate that you do not currently have. If you would like to start certification, please go to the job has already been submitted and it's in progress. Now they tell you that there's certification you need to do. I've already done some certification. The certification has to do with kind of test to know that you are good in such language. Now in this certification, I've already done some and I'm still awaiting approval on some. Now there's a certification that you have to pass through. That is why they tell you that you must pass so that they can approve the job very fast. All you need to do is just to go to the certification page. There they will give you the test. All you need to do is to go through the test. Then when you pass, then the job will be given to you. Then that is just all. Then after that, you start making your money. You can make an average of $300 a day. $300 a day. This is not what you should miss. Drop it over it and make some cool money, man. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.